Siân Richards created the original pure goat milk solid brush shampoo back in 2010. Having used chemical brush cleaners for her professional career, she'd noticed that brush cleaners never really got the brushes as clean as she wanted, and that they were made of harsh chemicals that over time destroyed the hair quality and the fabric of her brushes. She knew that there was a foolproof, simple solution for deep cleaning and conditioning dirty makeup brushes, and it was to go back to basics with a soap. Our formula is old-fashioned, derived from premium-grade ingredients, and handmade in the USA. In order to have an antibacterial solution, Siân included tea tree oil in the formula. Tea tree is Mother Nature's natural antibacterial gift to us, and so after much testing, goat milk brush shampoo was created and has successfully served makeup professionals and makeup lovers across the globe ever since. It's really simple to use. Just wet your brushes in hot water and swoosh it around on the soap in the jar. Agitate your brush on a friction pad and watch the makeup lift right out. Rinse with clean hot water and repeat the process if necessary. It removes all type of makeups from silicone to oil-based. Acrylic paints just disappear, and so do some glues too. Our goat milk formula was created to deeply clean and condition natural hair brushes, and it does this because goat milk has naturally emollient properties. Your brushes are cleaned and conditioned without any oily residue and left feeling like new. And it even restores natural brushes that have been left feeling dry and stiff from those toxic brush cleaners. Other benefits is that it's non-flammable, ocean-friendly, and environmentally friendly too. In support of our vegan makeup pros and lovers, Siân came up with a vegan-friendly formula that has young coconut milk as its base note. It's less emollient because synthetics do not need conditioning, but deep cleans and protects against bacteria just like the goat milk formula. All our brush shampoos contain essential oils as their fragrance instead of a synthetic fragrance oil. Essential oils have also been found to have antiviral and antibacterial protective qualities. 2020 has shown us that without question, washing thoroughly is the most effective way to prevent viruses and bacteria from lasting on natural surfaces. This reinforces Siân's message from 10 years ago, and that is why she has never changed the formula of brush shampoo. Wash your brushes after every use and leave them to air dry. If you're working with clients or actors, always have a second or third set of brushes ready to rotate in. All personal use brushes should be cleaned every time you use them, even though they are your personal brushes, and they must be stored in dry conditions. Bathrooms are a no-no if they stay humid. Natural hair brushes are your best bet for the ultimate time efficiency and hygiene as they dry so quickly. The brushes you see in this video will be dry in 20